So guys, let me introduce you to the fabled iPhone 7 here. So yeah, this phone came out in 2016, and yeah, it was being sold for around $650, which is roughly around over 500k with Nigerian's current like exchange rate. It was basically a flagship when it came out in 2016, which is really crazy. But now it's being sold for just above 100k. That's just about like 120 USD currently. So Apple has actually discontinued this device, and support for the OS version has been stopped at iOS 15, which is really sad. Is this phone still usable in 2023? That's the main question here, and that's what I'm trying to find out. Um, 4.7-inch display, 7 megapixel front-facing camera, and the back camera is 12 megapixel. It has a 1960 mAh battery, which is, you know, that is low, but yeah, it came out in 2016, so we can't really blame it for that. Those specs sound really outdated, but let's see how it holds up in 2023. So let's rip this box open. I'm going to start with I don't know, how do I open this? Yeah, I can use this tab here. Rah! So yeah, no slow-mo unboxing for this guy. Yeah, it's not as satisfying as when I was unboxing like the 11, but yeah, it's what I am getting here. Where's the phone? I'm just kidding. Yeah, I know that it's beneath the papers here, so yeah, let's what? Yeah, I'm actually playing again. Yeah, I already took it out. I already took the phone out. This is the phone, this is the device. Let's just set this to the side. Yeah, right off the bat, it looks cool. I like the color. I think this rose gold. It actually gives me the feel of iPhone 6s lineup. Basically, it looks chill. Let's take off this plastic here. Yeah, this one I'm going to like go slow for this. Yeah, that felt good. Although this phone is really old, it came out in 2016, like I said, the phone looks really cool. I don't know, Apple has always like killed it when it comes to design. They've always like really went hard when it comes to their design. It looks really classy. Smooth back with the Apple logo here, and yeah, a very smooth display here as well. But let me set this to the side so that we can take a look at what else is inside the box. Yeah, we have like the help guides here, papers, the SIM ejector tool here, right here, some help guides, not a lot of help guides. I don't see any Apple stickers inside here. We have this tiny charger again. When I did an unboxing for the iPhone 11, yeah, I think it came with a charger of this size as well, a tiny charger like this. But yeah, I'm sure this is not a fast charger, just like that one. But this one looks kind of smaller than the one that came with the 11. I think this is just a regular charger with the cord here, type A cord. And we have the AirPods. Yeah, this is really dope. So I'm happy to see this. I think in the iPhone 11 as well that I unboxed, yeah, it came with it. But yeah, so this is what you get when you're unboxing like the iPhone 7. Nice AirPods, nice looking AirPods here, with the yeah, the lightning cable as well. Let me set that to the side. It also comes with yeah, a type A USB cord here that you can use to charge your device. I think that's everything in the box, nothing else. So let me just set that to the side. We'll come back to this later. Right off the bat, yeah, we can see that the phone has a very like curved edge. It has an aluminum back, which, as you know, means that there's no wireless charging on this device. It has an HDR Retina display here, which is cool. I think most users will actually be okay with this kind of display. It's not something that's really like high end, but it's something that you would still enjoy looking at. That's the power button here, like but this is an upgrade from iPhone 6. iPhone 6, it had like a middle button as well, but that middle button now, yeah, if you have used an iPhone 6 before, or someone that has used an iPhone 6 before, that they complain about like the button always like getting spoiled. So with the iPhone 7, Apple replaced that and put in a like haptic button here. So what it does is that it's basically like a screen, but it just responds to your touch. So it's solid. It's not a button that you can click, but when you touch it, like you feel like a response. Besides that, we have the SIM port here, the power button, silent mode, which is in all iPhone as I can remember, the volume buttons, minimal buttons here, just as you know. What is missing here is the earphone jack. So the predecessor, the iPhone 6, came with an earphone jack, and this didn't come with an earphone jack. So yeah, it was really crazy when it came out and people were like, yo, what happened to the earphone jack? Apple, why did you remove it? Why did you remove the earphone jack? But yeah, Apple, they don't like explaining themselves. But let's get this set up. This is how the whole Touch ID used to be. Continue, place your finger, so you have to tap it a couple of times for it to just register your fingerprint. It has a 12 megapixel back camera here that shoots 4K at 30 frames per second. So yeah, let's just take a quick photo with the back camera and see how it looks. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. So yeah, I think in good lighting, the pictures that come out from the iPhone 7 is really dope, and it comes out as a live photo. So yeah, that's something that some people might enjoy. So let me just take a quick selfie with the front-facing camera to see how it is as well. Yeah.
Ah, cheeky boy.
Yeah, so this is a picture from the front-facing camera. I hope that's clear enough. It doesn't look bad. I think they did a little bit of editing on my face here to make some parts brighter and just give some more like tone to some part of my face. But all in all, it's really great quality here. I think for a normal user who is just like looking into like getting a phone that has a good camera and yeah, a phone that can just take good shots, I think this is not a bad device in 2023. Although it pales in comparison to newer Apple cameras, but yeah, this is still something that has a relevance in the camera world. Now, battery on this device is another thing. The battery capacity is 1920 mAh. That's really small. But yeah, this phone came out in 2016, so you can't really blame it. Although there were phones that had like really large battery capacities in 2016, but this is iPhone we're talking about here. Yeah, so Apple would have not always been known for their battery capacity if you know Apple. So but for a normal user who's just using the phone on light usage, I think that's something that can actually take you half the day. Yeah, you can use this phone for half the day, I feel, and you have like the best battery out of it. So all in all, this device is not actually dead yet. It's not totally dead yet. It still has some life left in it, and yeah, I'm actually turning into a fan of this device because of how compact it feels. I'm going to be testing this device and using it as my daily device for like about a week or two, just to see how like how I can manage with the device. But all in all, do let me know what you guys think about this device. Is this something that you think you can use in 2023? Like I know it has like outdated specs, but an Apple has dropped support for it. If you're on a budget and you're wanting to like get a phone, an iPhone 7, I'd advise you go for the iPhone 8 because yeah, it's just I think it's just about 10k difference Nigerian naira that you have to top it up to get the iPhone 8. And the iPhone 8 comes with wireless charging. So yeah, and it supports the OS 16 from Apple. So yeah, that's also a great option. But we're talking about the iPhone 7 here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you use this phone in 2023? That's the main question here. Yeah, if you like this video and if you watch up to this point, yeah, do leave a like. Also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Tony Raga out.